Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Steam is open and you're signed in. Install Wallpaper Alive from your library and accept overlay and permission prompts. This lets Steam manage the app and controllers. Once installed, launch it once to let it register files and create a config folder. Make sure you close GPU-heavy programs so the app can initialize correctly. This prevents stutter during first load. Finally, set your power plan to high performance to avoid frame drops while testing animated wallpapers. Next, you import content. Click Import or Browse and pick local MP4, GIF, WebM, or supported scene files. Steam Workshop items require download. Once added, configure resolution and FPS limits to match your monitor. This saves resources. Then set audio sync if the wallpaper includes sound. Assign which monitor gets which wallpaper and enable performance mode to reduce GPU when idle. If you want hotkeys, bind them now through settings so you can toggle visibility or pause without opening the app. Finally, apply your chosen wallpaper and observe playback for at least a minute to spot stutters or sound lag, then save a custom profile for quick recall. If performance is poor, lower FPS and resolution or disable hardware acceleration. These changes often fix frame drops. When problems persist, restart Steam and the Wallpaper Alive app, update GPU drivers, and review the app logs in the config folder for error messages. If nothing else works, revert to a simpler wallpaper and re-import step-by-step to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.